Hi guys. So me and Mary Frances today are doing a how to take Instagram pictures 101. Okay, yeah, so literally nobody asked me this, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. We have nothing to do today, so we are in our location. It's in a coffee shop and we are dressed. We're gonna show you what we're gonna do, and I have my tripod, so they're like, I'll put them in a position like how to like do it or stuff like that. So yes, it is 89 degrees. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? 89 degrees? Okay, we have extra clothes in case we change. We came prepared today. This is, I'm gonna, yeah, it's kind of like a, if you can afford Gucci, then go ahead to fashion Forever 21. If you can afford Gucci, remember like the slides of Gucci? Yes, and it's like $20 something. So first is you have to have a coffee just for like accessorize for like a picture so it look cute. Tip, have to spend money for that, but we are also need coffee. I need coffee. She ordered shake. So take a picture with the summer, and this is the background right here. The coffee shop is like really right there, but I'm gonna take a picture of her. So we're about to take pictures now. What you're gonna do is go like this, so the person that you're gonna take the photo look taller. And she has her smoothie right there, and like this is just like the background. Okay, so let's see, 1 2 3 go. Yes, yes. Number 2 is this black building. It's just so cute. I already took a picture of her. We'll just pop it out in the screen, but yeah, this is like the location that we're gonna take a picture, and there's also more over there. It's just some cute like coffee shops or like ice cream shop. So she's touching up. Okay guys, so our second location is this bookstore, and we only take a pictures where I'm gonna flash the screen right here. So can you like tell them what you did earlier? So basically, yeah, we just find this bookstore, and it's kind of like a cute Instagram spot. So I took a picture of here, but basically I went from the angle like this so she looked taller, you know what I mean? So yes, you just gotta know your friend's angle, because if you don't know her angle, then she's not your friend, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's that. Okay, we're going to take a break. Sushi break. Yeah, sushi break. So we took in like one in the bookstore, and then the one with like the black building, and what else? I think that's it, right? Yeah. And then we had one right here next to where we parked, but it's kind of like not really, because there was like guy looking at her. I don't know, it's the old guy looking at her. I'm like, imagine some stuff like supposed to do. But we're going right across to sushi because we are going for a lunch break. And then I think we can probably ask them if we're gonna change over there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, so we're also gonna change our outfits. Yeah, so I'll get off with you guys later. So guys, another tip, if you want to take a pictures to the beach or stuff like that, make sure you have swimsuits with you, or you can change as well. But what we did is we just came back to her house and we got a floaty from $5 and below. So we're gonna do is take 2 more different pictures, which is in her swimsuit and kind of like just her with this neon where'd you get this? H&M? And look at her IKEA fanny pack and some shorts. So it's kind of like beachy type of pictures. We'll see, because we are on the way there. Bye guys. So we're here at the park. This is just an example. You can actually go whatever park you prefer, but in Maryland we only have this park. Yeah, so we're here at the park. So what we're gonna do is take pictures of her, and while she's sitting somewhere over there, or just somewhere here in the park, you know what I mean? Like I have a vision of just her like sitting down. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So do like this. You also gotta do is like you have to have your like pose. Yeah. You know what? How about sit right here?
On top of the table?
Yeah, on top of the table.
Okay.
Oh,
It's gonna be too hard.
yeah. Sit in the top of the table. You know what? Yeah. Try to sit. Yeah, try to sit like that. So. Yeah, yes, like that. Get like, yes.
Because I can't get a reference.
Okay. So. Okay. One. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. Look at me. There you go. Other one, 1, 2, 3. It's so like
Is that right?
saturation. I like it because it's funny.
Oh, they're cute.
I like it. I like the second one.
Yeah, me too.
Looks like. So we're just basically trying like the angles because it's way too sunny. So we're trying to do the shades now. Where's like the shade? You know what, let me go there. You know, put your legs up a little bit. I think the other one. Oh, yeah, which one do you prefer? Like the up? Let's see. Yeah, you know what? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, just like that. Right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And just take a bunch of pictures. Okay, here. View all the pictures. Let's go to the other side. I'm like literally sweating right here. She is just currently reviewing the pictures and I'm here out sweating. So you gotta do it for the gram. Even though there's a lot of people looking at you guys.
They're cute.
They're cute?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just put like...
I think come to you.
Yeah, later.
Later.
That's like, I need to breathe.
Like bankroll fresh. Good with my necklace when I do it. Got the leather in the wool. I got the marble on the floor. Got the burglar bars on the door and the band door. Diamonds in my chain.
Up is in the beach. So we're gonna take a picture of her in bikini. Hey guys, so we left you at the beach. So anyways, I know I'm with my other shirt. Anyway, so we're gonna end of the how to take the pictures here. I'm just gonna have a sit down and actually tell you what to, like, you know, like if you have a friend and if you're like, if you don't have anybody, or if you don't have a boyfriend, if you're the husband or friends is unavailable and you want to take cute pictures by yourself, I'm gonna leave down a link on my description box below. I have a tripod that I got from Amazon. I also have this remote, so you basically connect. It's like it's okay if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android, because you can actually like connect the Bluetooth for like the clicker, and it will, for example, it will automatically, I'm sorry I don't have it in me, but it will automatically take a pictures of you if you're connected to that like clicker. Just make sure that you are fully connected to the Bluetooth. And I'm also gonna leave down below like the tripod that I was using. I'm gonna pop the picture right here, and I think I was at Solomon's. I was just by myself and I was in the car, and then it's really hard for me to take a pictures. Like I wanna, you know, try to keep pictures, and I was just by myself, so I put the tripod inside of my car and connect the little clicker, and you know, that was that. I'm just gonna insert 2 photos just like an example of it looks like somebody's taking a picture of me, but it was just by myself. I was just by myself. And if you have a friend, and you know, make sure to tell them like, hey, I want this angle, like, is it okay? Like, you know, take a lot of pictures, just not 1 or 2 like that. I normally do is like I keep clicking and clicking, and then I'll tell my friend Mary Frances, like, you know, keep doing, you know, just like some poses that you're comfortable with it. Because if you have that friend like just, you know, don't like to take pictures with you, she's not really your friend, honey. Okay, she's not really your friend. I'm the type of friend, like I will take a bunch, I don't care how bunch of pictures of you, so you have choices. Do you know what I mean? To have choices. But anyway, yeah, make sure you know your friends, or if you know your angle really well, like if you're really good in the right side or in your left side, like, and also make sure like the location is, you know, cute. It doesn't really matter if your outfit is really not that nice, but the location or like the background, if it's cute over there, that's really good. Because we're supposed to do like at least 3 outfits or something like that, but it's like it's way too hot to be changing clothes and stuff. And anyway, yeah, second of all, like I said, location. And the third one is make sure we literally use my iPhone XS Max. This is the phone that we use the whole thing, and I'm gonna insert like edited pictures of us. Just I'm gonna pop it in the screen, both right here. But yeah, just tell her, you know, like make sure like tell her like, hey, by the way, I want this side, like can you go a little bit lower, something like that. But yeah, that's how I normally take my pictures. And if I have a friends with me that I know my angles, if my husband really knows my angle now, so I will tell my babe, do this, do that, and then he'll, you know, he'll follow. It may take a while for, you know, for him to like take that good one picture, at least that one good picture, but trust me, it's really worth it if you gotta do it for the gram. But anyway guys, I'm gonna, like, don't worry, I'm gonna leave all the link in the description box below. So yeah, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.